Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Rust toolchain via RustUp and a server with SSH access. Install a runtime like Tokyo in Cargo. Toml, because async I/O is critical for server performance. Once done, create a new binary crate with Cargo new bin and add dependencies. Make sure ports and firewall rules allow your test traffic. Do this now. It avoids wasted iterations later. This first work creates the baseline, where you'll build the pairing logic and iterate quickly. Now implement the pairing flow. Choose JSON over TCP or WebSocket for simplicity, and define a clear handshake including client ID and capabilities. Write an async listener using Tokyo, net, and on accept perform the handshake. If valid, spawn a task to manage that session. Use a hash map for active sessions with TTL cleanup or plug readies when you need clustering. Once the flow is live, add logging and metrics to observe pairing rates and latency so you can tune performance. Finish by adding graceful shutdown and reconnection backoff so pairs recover cleanly, and implement health checks for orchestration. Secure the channel with TLS and validate all handshake fields to avoid injection or weird states. Then run load tests to exercise session management and observe memory and CPU profiles. If pairing fails, check handshake logs first. Most issues are protocol mismatches or timeouts. Tip: enable verbose handshake logging and a deterministic replay to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.